Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saroj and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School of Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk and my topic is Log Kya Kahenge by Moez Shaukat. So today I am sharing my reflection on the TEDx talk Log Kya Kahenge by Moez Shaukat. In our society, one sentence control many decisions in our life. Log Kya Kahenge, meaning what will people say. From childhood to adulthood, we often shape our dreams, career and even personalities based on society's opinion rather than our own passion. Moish Shaukat highlights how this fear silently limits our potential. Many people avoid taking risks, expressing ideas, or following their dreams because they are afraid of judgment instead of living authentically. They live according to expectations created by others. The talk reminds us that society will always have opinions no matter what we do. Someone will approve while someone else will criticize. If we allow fear of judgment to control us, we stop growing and discovering who we truly are. One powerful message from the talk is that confidence comes when we stop speaking constant validation. Growth begins the moment we accept the mistakes, failure, and differences are natural part of life. Success is not about pleasing everyone; it is about staying true of your value and purpose. So then we talk about the Moist Focus encourages us to question unnecessary social pressure while still respecting our culture and relationships. So today I invite you to reflect on your own life. How many decisions have been influenced by fear of people opinions, and what could change if you started trusting yourself more. Let us remember that people's opinion change, but missed opportunities do not return when we focus on growth instead of judgment. We give ourselves permission to live honestly and confidently. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk. Hope so you like it. Meet you in next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.